Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MyChart step by step clearly. To activate MyChart, start by visiting the official MyChart website. Look for the Sign Up or Activate Account button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name and last name as they appear in your medical records. Next, input your date of birth. Provide your email address in the designated field. Enter your phone number if required. Follow the prompts to create a unique username. Choose a password that meets the specified security criteria. You may be asked to select and answer security questions. These will help verify your identity in the future. After completing these fields, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit your request to activate your account. Check your email for a confirmation message from MyChart. Open the email and click on the activation link provided. This will direct you back to the MyChart website. Log in using the username and password you just created. Once logged in, you can customize your account settings as desired. Explore the features available to manage your health information. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the website. You can also contact customer support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.